Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the hard work so you don't have to. Today, we're getting high in the sky. We're comparing two popular drones, the Holystone Mini Drone and the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera. Will the Holystone make us holy believers? Or will the Hiturbo turbocharge our drone-loving hearts? Let's dive in. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the price. The Holystone Mini Drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $36. You can practically buy it with the change you find in your couch cushions. On the other side, we have the Hiturbo drone at $79. It's not exactly breaking the bank, but you might have to skip a few lattes this month. So if you're looking for a quick and cheap aerial thrill, the Holystone might be your go-to. But if you're willing to invest a bit more for some extra features, the Hiturbo is calling your name. Next up, the fun factor. The Holystone Mini Drone is like that one friend who's always the life of the party. Toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like a tiny flying circus. Reviewers love its lightweight design and easy maneuverability, making it super fun to fly. It even has 3 batteries, extending your flight time to 21 minutes. That's more than enough time to impress your friends and then crash into a tree. Now, the Hiturbo drone isn't a slouch either. It has a 1080p camera, which means you can capture all your epic crashes in high definition. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries for a total of 24 minutes of flight time. That's enough to film your entire neighborhood and maybe even the neighbor's cat. Reviewers praise its high-quality camera and unique control features. But let's be real. If you're just looking to have some mindless fun, the Holystone is like a flying fidget spinner. The Hiturbo, on the other hand, is for those who want to channel their inner Spielberg. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. The Holystone Mini Drone is incredibly user-friendly with its altitude hold function and headless mode. It's like having training wheels on a bike. You can't really mess it up unless you try really hard. Reviewers appreciate its basic controls and ease of setup, making it great for beginners. The Hiturbo drone is also beginner-friendly, but with a twist. It's got altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and even voice control. You can literally talk to your drone. So if you've ever wanted to yell at your tech and have it actually listen, this is your chance. However, it does require a bit more setup with its app, but hey, if you can navigate a smartphone, you can handle this. Reviewers find it easy to fly once connected to the app and appreciate its advanced features. Safety first, folks. The Holystone Mini Drone comes with full propeller protection, which is great for kids or those of us who are a bit clumsy. It's like having airbags on your drone. Reviewers find it to be durable and easy to use indoors. The Hiturbo drone, while it doesn't boast the same level of propeller protection, does have a calibration function that keeps it stable. Just hold those joysticks at a 45 degrees angle and voila, stability. It's like giving your drone a chiropractic adjustment. Reviewers appreciate its durability and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for all ages. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone Mini Drone to be an affordable and entertaining option that's easy to use and safe for beginners. The Hiturbo drone, on the other hand, is praised for its high-quality camera, advanced features, and stability, making it a versatile tool for both fun and photography. So, there you have it. The Holystone Mini Drone is perfect for those who want a cheap, fun, and safe flying experience. Meanwhile, the Hiturbo drone is for the aspiring filmmakers and tech-savvy pilots out there. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buying decision. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high with Buy Smart.